consist of budget-friendly, high-end, mid-range.
Good morning everyone, I am Mary Angela Kawaling and I am going to discuss to you the top 3 budget-friendly accommodation in Luzon. For the first accommodation is the Oyster Plaza Hotel Manila. Oyster Plaza Hotel Manila, set within 4.7 kilometers of SMX Convention Center. The 3-star Oyster Plaza Hotel Manila includes 41 rooms, offering 24 hours front desk assistance and late checkout. The hotel also features Wi-Fi in public area. This property is in the very heart of Manila and scattered among an international restaurant and coffee shop. The hotel is situated within 4.6 kilometers of the prominent national shrine, Baclaran Church, which is considered a sacred site. In addition, there are shops and a market besides the accommodation. Oyster Plaza Hotel is also quite close to Cathedral Parish to St. Andrew. The air-conditioned room with cable TV, a minibar, and coffee or tea picking facilities. Some rooms at the accommodation feature a marble floor furnished with a sofa and a work desk, along with free wireless internet and a flat-screen TV with satellite channels for business and leisure, featuring a bidet and shower. The private bathroom are also fitted with guest toiletries and towels. Also, the Oyster Plaza Hotel Manila offer on-site breakfast in the restaurant. It comes with junior suites, deluxe twin room, standard double room, deluxe double room, and family suite. For the second accommodation, the Pearl Garden Hotel. Pearl Garden Hotel is located in the heart of Malate. It features free Wi-Fi, 2 dining options, and rooms with views of Manila Bay. All rooms are well equipped with a safety deposit box and flat-screen TV with cable channel. Garden Pearl Hotel is 1.5 kilometers from Luneta Park and 2.5 kilometers from Intramuros City. For the third accommodation in Luzon, the Guihu Suites Makati. Guihu Suites Makati, or Quarantine Hotel, is 2-minute drive from Makati City's Central Business District. A 5-minute taxi ride from shopping mall like Glorieta. It offers a restaurant and free internet. The air-conditioned rooms with cable TV.
Let's now proceed to the high-end accommodation in Luzon.
Hello everyone, my name is Merojan Manuel. We are about to tackle the different kinds of accommodation that you will find in Luzon. And so now for our first list of the high-end accommodation that you will find in Luzon, set in the entertainment city of Manila, 2.5 kilometers from the SMX Convention Center and 3.2 kilometers from SM Mall of Asia. Okada, Manila is a 5-star city resort that boasts of the world-class amenities such as an outdoor swimming pool overlooking and famous Manila Bay, a casino at the property, and a spa and wellness center. There are also several dining options with varying ambience and international cuisines, as well as an indoor beach club. Free Wi-Fi is also available throughout the property. The rooms and suites in Okada, Manila are all air-conditioned and come with a ceiling area with a flat-screen cable TV. Each room is also equipped with a wardrobe, a safety deposit box, and a desk. Some rooms are lifted with a sofa seating along with a dining area. The rooms feature views of the bay or the swimming pool included in the suites. Bathroom is a bathtub with free bath amenity. So that is our first of the list in the high-end accommodation that you will find in Luzon. So, for the second accommodation that you will find in Luzon, set in Manila, 2.1 km from the Power Plant Mall, Oakwood, Makati Avenue. Offers accommodation with a fitness center, free private parking, a restaurant, and a bar. This 5-star hotel offers a concierging service. The accommodation features a 24-hour front desk, so you can go to the front desk for 24/7 a day. Yes, it's very good. Airport transfer, wow, connection from the airport to the hotel, so you can book like that. Room service and a free Wi-Fi throughout the property. All guest rooms at the hotel come with air conditioning, a seating area, a flat screen TV with cable channels, a kitchenette, a dining area, a safety deposit box, so if you have some money or cash that you brought from your home to the hotel, so you can put it in a safety deposit box so no one can steal it to you. And a private bathroom with a bidet, free toiletries, and a hair dryer at Oakwood, Makati Avenue. All rooms include bed linen, and towels. A buffet American or Asian breakfast, so you can choose if you like a Western food or Asian food, it's up to you. Is available every morning in the property. Laureate Mall is 2 kilometers from the accommodation, while Greenbelt Mall is 1.8 kilometers from the property. The nearest airport is Ninoy Aquino International Airport or NAIA. You will find it 7 kilometers away from Oakwood, Makati Avenue. So that's our second. As high-end accommodation you will find in Luzon is the City of Dreams Manila, Anua. It's a luxurious 5-star hotel featuring an outdoor pool, restaurant, and bar, offering air-conditioned rooms, studios, and suites with free Wi-Fi and city view. City of Dreams Manila Nua is 3.1 km from SM City Mall of Asia and 4.2 km from Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Makati City is 7 kilometers away, while Manila Ocean Park is 7.5 kilometers from the hotel. So if you feel like you want to go outside and have some adventure, you can go to the places that I say. Every room, studio, and suites is equipped with a flat-screen cable TV, sail minibar, and an electric kettle. A sitting area and a private bathroom with shower, hair dryer, and free toiletries is included. Recreational facilities include a fitness center and a spa. A 24-hour concierge and front desk service is available. Multilingual staff is on hand to serve guests who have access on the sides of the shop. A 24-hour room service is available. Drink can be enjoyed from the pool side at Breeze, an elegant alfresco inside seating restaurant serving a curated menu of classic Filipino dishes. Also, if you want to eat our classic Filipino dishes, you can find it in the restaurant inside.
Now let's jump for our last accommodation to tackle, the mid-range.
Savoy Hotel Manila boasts of an outdoor swimming pool situated 200 meters from Resort World Manila. This 4-star property offers 24-hour front desk and an on-site restaurant and bar. Every room at Savoy Hotel Manila is air-conditioned and has a flat-screen TV, a safety deposit box, and a desk. A private bathroom with walk-in shower and free toiletries is also included in each room. Other units are equipped with a minibar, a tea, coffee maker, and have an access to the executive lounge. A daily breakfast is available at the property, while room service is also available. Subway Cafe also serves international cuisine a la carte. At the hotel, facilities such as gym and a steam and sauna room are available for guests. On-site parking is available. City of Dreams Manila is 2.8 km, while Glorita Mall is 3.6 km away. The nearest airport is Manila International Airport, 2 km from the hotel. City Garden Grand Hotel, boasting an outdoor rooftop pool and restaurant with complimentary Wi-Fi access. City Garden Grand Hotel offers luxurious accommodation with sweeping views of the Makati landscape. Offering city views, all rooms at City Garden Grand Hotel are air-conditioned and feature a cable LED TV and coffee tea-making facilities. Complete with a bath or shower, the private and suite bathrooms also offer a high dryer and bathrooms. Guests will find a gym, an outdoor pool, and several meeting and event spaces located on site. The 24-hour front desk readily assists guests with services such as complimentary valet parking, luggage storage, and tour information. City Garden Grand Hotel is located adjacent to several convenience stores, restaurants, and nightlife spots. Century City Mall is located 100 meters away from the hotel, while Rock Hill Century and Makati Stock Exchange are within 1.2 km away. The nearest airport is Ninoy Aquino International Airport, located 7 km away. Hotel 101, located in the Manila Bay District, Hotel 101 Manila offers accommodation 700 meters away from SM Mall of Asia. Guests can enjoy meals at the on-site restaurant and free Wi-Fi and private parking is available. All rooms at the hotel are air-conditioned and feature a flat-screen cable TV fitted with wooden furnishing. The rooms also include a seating area, safe and electric kettle, private bathrooms offer shower facilities. There is a 24-hour front desk of the property while a business century and meeting facilities are available. For leisure, guests can enjoy a swim at the outdoor pool or request for massage service. SMX Convention Century is 800 meters from the hotel, while City of Dreams Manila is 1.3 kilometers away. The nearest airport is Ninoy Aquino Airport, 4 kilometers away from Lupapod.